part. Everyone knows now. This, right? No direction is given. We always consider north, right? We will consider south when it is mentioned in the question part. Otherwise, we will consider north only. Right. I have told you the difference between and in between. Whenever there is a word between and in between, both are same. Right. In case of between and in between, you will put that person at all the possible position from 2 to 6 like this. And we have already done this. In case of exactly between, you will fix that person in the middle. Right. So this was the difference. I'm just giving a recap here. Right. And this one, D sitting at the fourth position to the right of F, or D sitting at the fourth places away to the right of F. In both the cases, you will leave three persons between D and F. N places away means there must be N minus one person.